What are the essential functions that an entrepreneur must accomplish? Explain any four. The following are some of the essential functions that an entrepreneur must accomplish. Identifying business opportunities. There are numerous opportunities in the corporate sector. These are based on ever changing human requirements such as food, fashion, and education. The general population is unaware of these opportunities. However, an entrepreneur detects opportunities faster than others. As a result, the entrepreneur must have his or her eyes and ears open at all times. To become an entrepreneur, one must have vision, creativity, and innovativeness. Putting ideas into action. Entrepreneurs must be able to put their ideas into action. They should be able to gather information on ideas, products, and processes in order to meet market demand. Feasibility study. Entrepreneurs undertake feasibility studies to determine the commercial viability of a new product or service. They anticipate problems and evaluate the number, quality, pricing, and sources of inputs needed to run the business. A business plan or project report is a roadmap of all actions. Resourcing. To establish a successful business, an entrepreneur requires a variety of resources such as money, machinery, raw materials, and labor. An entrepreneur's primary responsibility is to secure the timely availability of all of these resources. What are some methods for prospective entrepreneurs to identify new business opportunities and assess their potentials and hazards? Following are some methods for prospective entrepreneurs to identify new business opportunities and assess their potentials and hazards. Community concerns. Look for problems that are important to your community. Starting small might have a big payoff in some cases. Identify inefficiencies, analyze how an innovation can assist, and weigh the dangers. Personal experiences. Many significant world-changing ideas emerge from an entrepreneur's life experiences and obstacles. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you should listen to and be inspired by the personal experiences of great entrepreneurs. Their experiences may teach you valuable lessons in entrepreneurship and provide insights into certain company tactics that you can use to achieve success. Discuss with others, talk to like-minded people, get active in social groups, and join local startup groups to conduct research with others. Many times, conversing with others opens up new avenues of opportunities. It is also beneficial to master the subtleties of business. Differentiate between entrepreneurs of the first generation and entrepreneurs from a family business. Entrepreneurs of the first generation entrepreneurs are people who have no prior business experience. They can come from a variety of ages and backgrounds. A person who starts at the age of 50 without any entrepreneurship history is also a first-generation entrepreneur, as is someone who starts at the age of 17. Entrepreneurs from a family business. When a family or a person successfully operates a business and passes it down to the next generation, such entrepreneur is referred to as a family business entrepreneur. The individual to whom the business or the operation of an enterprise is passed over is not the first-generation entrepreneur. The individual continues to carry out all inherited entrepreneurial operations in the same manner or brings specific technology upgrades to the existing technique and approach of the family business. What are the few qualities that motivate an entrepreneur? Following are the few qualities that motivate an entrepreneur. Excellence as a standard. An entrepreneur consistently sets high standards and seeks to achieve excellence by working hard and being innovative. Uniqueness. One of the most significant characteristics of an entrepreneur is the ability to be unique in everything he or she does and how it is done. Concentrate on long-term goals. Long-term goals are those that are out of reach in terms of time. An entrepreneur is more concerned with what will be accomplished in the distant future than what will be accomplished in the near future. The individual will plan and work carefully to achieve long-term objectives. Need to exert influence. The entrepreneur feels that ideas can be revolutionary and expects them to have a significant impact on the world. Most entrepreneurs' ideas have had an impact on the globe, and others have radically changed the face of the planet. Explain why the following qualities are necessary for an entrepreneur. 1. Willingness to take risks. 2. Ability to make decisions. Willingness to take risks. There is an element of risk in any business. It means that it is not required for every firm to make a profit. This discourages people from taking risks and starting their own businesses. An entrepreneur, on the other hand, always offers to take risks in order to manage a successful firm. Ability to make decisions. While running a business, an entrepreneur must make a variety of decisions. As a result, the individual must be capable of making appropriate and timely decisions. Things move at a breakneck pace in the modern world. If an entrepreneur lacks the ability to make appropriate and timely judgments, he or she may miss out on an opportunity and incur damages.